Want to know how to check or see your project history in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. And now once you run that here, you should be seeing projects on the left side. If you don't, on top you should be seeing Windows. Just simply select it on the top navigation bar. And once you selected Windows, here you should be seeing projects on top straight up. So just simply select it, or you can also select Ctrl+1 for shortcut. Now once you run that here, you should be seeing your projects. So just simply select the project you have currently opened, right click on its name, and here you should be seeing history all the way to the bottom. That should be right above properties. Just simply select it or hover on it, and then select show history right here. And once that is done, any changes or history that were made with your code or your project should be shown easily. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.